Hey you guys, so welcome back to my channel. Today I will be doing a hair install and also like a, like a first impressions video. So I ordered a wig from Amazon and this is what it came in. So it came in this box here, and basically I wanted to try a new color as well as continue with the whole synthetic wig thing. So I'm going to wear or install the Shear Muse, the Sensational Shear Muse wig. It's a 100% premium fiber lace front wig, and this is in the shade Baby Pink. So yeah, I've had pink hair before on my natural hair, but now it's time for the wig because I'm not bleaching my hair again. And then it also comes with like a an Amazon like scan card for, I think, like your review or something. I don't know, but let's see what this is giving. I took it out of the box before, but I never actually pulled the plastic and all that stuff that's on the inside. So this is what it looks like right here. Oh, well, there's paper. Alright, let's take these papers out. And it comes in a lot of colors. Like a lot. These are all the colors it comes in. Alright. Let me know if you guys like my new setup area. I'm trying something different. I'm trying to find somewhere that looks super cute in my room that's also like aesthetically pleasing. I need some like fake plants or something. All right, so let's pull this and let's take this bad boy out. I'm also practicing like putting on wigs and stuff because I love wearing wigs, so why not learn how? My last couple of videos that I've done, I've installed my wigs myself, just haven't done it on camera. So I thought, why not do it now? I don't usually do the whole ball cap method, but I'm gonna give that a try today. This is a full, like it's all stitched up. Oh, the fibers feel really good, really flowy. And then it's a lace front with a center part. So it's a T part, T lace. And I think this is gonna blend really well with my skin tone. Is there shedding? Yes, there is some shedding. I have not brushed this wig yet, and it's already, hair is already coming out. So yeah, that's something to make note of. This wig was like 30 bucks, so it's super convenient, super cheap, but it also feels really good, and it does have that plasticky look. All right, so let's get started. Hey guys, so I had to play around with this a little bit. I'm about to just trust the process because right now I'm not feeling it, to be honest. But this is what it looks like so far. I'm about to add some color to my lace, and then we're gonna move forward with actually installing the wig. All right, so I'm gonna use, I usually use my foundation, but I'm just gonna use my True Complexion Contour Palette by Black Radiance and use the middle color. So let's take this off. All right, so to install my wig first, my edges are already like in, but I'm gonna use my Hold Me Down Lace Adhesive by my friend's hair company, Berry Lux Hair Boutique. This is the best lace adhesive I've ever used. It's white, but it dries clear and it lasts forever. So going to do is I am going to cut the lace into three parts. All right, so after I put this on, now, if you guys see me looking down, I'm looking in a mirror because I can't really see myself in the my phone camera. It's a little far and I have vision problems, so yeah. So right now I'm just gonna pull this all the way down to where I would like my wig to be. Alright, that's still not bad though. This is not bad. Because when it comes to a lace, I'm gonna wear it. So now that I feel like we've sealed this enough, onto my hairline or the glue line. I'm gonna separate the parts I want for my baby hairs. Okay guys, so these are gonna be my baby hairs and I am going to tie my head down and spray some of this on my edges first so everything can just basically stay in place. Alright guys, so I think I'm gonna just cut my lace now and then tie my hair down. So let's get into it. Alright guys, so now I'm going to add some spray again to my lace. Just like that. It's been about 5 minutes, so I want to do like the fluffy baby hairs. So I'm going to use my curling wand on the pieces of hair to just curl them since I don't have a mini curling iron. And we're going to see what's going to happen with this hair. We are going to see. Now, since it's already synthetic, I don't want to use high heat on it because it is synthetic. So we still have to remember it's plastic. It's not like human hair. Alrighty, so let's cut about right there. Alrighty, so let's spray up our baby hair edge brush. And let's carry the hairs forward and then carry them forward and then bring them back. Alright, so that baby hair is good. So a special tip that I learned, you guys, is to use a little bit of your lace adhesive on your baby hairs. It helps to mold them and keep them into place for a lot longer. Now I'm gonna add just a little bit of powder to like these parts again. I'm not putting on any fresh powder, I'm just kind of using the brush's residue. this is what it looks like so far. I'm gonna add some more spray to my hairline, tie it down, and then I'll be back with the finished product. Stay tuned. This is what the hair looks like when it's all done. I'm absolutely in love with it. So this is definitely a trust the process wig. I absolutely love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. That's what it's looking like. So I'm obsessed. I'm obsessed. If you guys liked this review, be sure to leave a comment, like, and definitely subscribe to my channel. I hope you guys loved it because I definitely am obsessed. I can't wait to wear this out. Bye, guys.